In this video of web application and security, we are going to discuss about internet securities. First thing, what is internet security? Internet security consists of a range of security tactics for protecting and activities and transaction conduct online over the internet. We are going to discuss that how we are going to save our browser, computer from online threats. How we are going to secure it. Hackers, crackers who break your computers into your computer without authorizations. Malicious code or malware refers to virus, trojan, worms, etc. Many other things have been there. We are going to discuss that also. Email spamming, sending unwanted mails without the user permissions. Fraud and theft by hackers by stealing your personal data such as bank account information, credit card numbers. Many things are there. The types of internet security threats: hacker and crackers, spyware, spamming, malware. And malware, there are viruses, trojans and worms. So first we are going to discuss who are hackers. Hackers are the person who find and exploit the weakness of your computer system and network to gain access. They are skilled programmers, got a lot of knowledge about computer securities. There are many types of hackers: ethical hackers, or we can say white hat hackers, a hacker who gain access to system with the view to fix the identified weaknesses, only to fix the identified weaknesses. Second are the black hat crackers, a hacker who gain unauthorized access to your system and access your personal information, steal the data, violate privacy right, transfer funds from your bank account. These are crackers. Grey hackers, grey hat hackers, a hacker who has been doing ethical and black hat hackers. He or she break into your computer system without authority with the view to identify weaknesses and reveal them to the system owner. So these are the three types of ethical hacking, ethical hacker. These are the white hackers, and crackers are those who are going to access unauthorized access to your system. Then there is spyware. It is actually a malware that infect your PC or mobile devices and gather information about you and including the site you visit, the things you download, your username, password, payment information, email you send and receive without your knowledge. They are the spy. How to protect your system from a spyware? Enable or download a pop-up blockers, avoid email links and attachment when possible. Now one more thing, there are types of spyware are there, so we are going to discuss those spyware also. The first one, adware. Adware, the word comes from, it is a compound of word advertising and software. AD from advertising and WARE from software. Some of the adwares are Fireball, Preach, Dollar Revenue, Getter, Deskad. These are the spyware. This type of spyware tracks your browser history and downloads with the intent to predicting what product or service you are interested. They will pop up the ads of product advertisement on your browser. Symptoms of the adware: your browser has suddenly start working slower. Banner and ads are appearing on your website. Every time you want to visit a site, you are redirected to different pages. You are noticing new toolbar plugins. Clicking anywhere on a page, open one or more pop-ups ad. Now next we discuss about Trojan. What is Trojan? Trojan horse is a piece of malware that damage, steal and harm your data or your computer network. It is designed to damage, disturb, steal your information. It is a kind of malicious software that show itself as a legal software. It can use to access sensitive information such as social security numbers and your credit card information. What are types of Trojan horse? There are three: backdoor, downloader, distributed denial of service Trojan. Backdoor Trojans, these type of Trojan horse have a secret passage through which hackers can access your computer and take control of it. They can control your computer. Downloader Trojan. These type of Trojans are programmed to download a variety of files and program to your hard disk. DDoS Trojans are types of malware designed to carry out attacks against computer network. Then tracking cookies. These track the user's web activities such as search, history, downloads for marketing purposes. System monitors. This type of spyware can capture just about everything you do on your computer system. They monitor all the things, even your keystrokes, email, chat rooms, website you visit, programs that you run. System monitors are often disguised as freeware. Next, now we talk about spamming. Spam is a kind of unwanted email, a bulk of mail sent out to your email account. Spam is a huge waste of time and resources. It is commonly known as junk mails. These are being used for advertising purposes. Common types of email spam: ads, chain letters. Ads means this is one of the most common type of spam. You will receive several types of emails offering about product and services. Chain letter, something bad will happen to you. These type of messages are going to be sent to you. Then money scams are there. Here the spam message. In the past, there is one Nigerian prince scheme. They send you a letter, email, and big rewards. Then malware warnings. You will get a warning that in your system or in a mobile phone there is an infection is there. You have to scan it. Like these type of messages, warnings messages are going to be displayed. Now what is malware? It is a short name for malicious software. Computer programs designed to infiltrate and damage computers without user consent. You are not supposed to know about that. They are going to damage your system. Malware is the general term covering all the different types of threats to your computer safety. Viruses, spyware, worms, trojan, rootkits, so on. These are all malwares. Now what are viruses? A computer virus is a type of computer program or code that when executed it replicates. It makes the copy of itself and modify other computer programs and inserting its own codes. That is the work. It replicates itself, create copies, and those copies make hundreds of copies again. Now types of viruses. The types of viruses are boot sector virus, resident virus, direct action virus, macro virus, polymorphic virus, space filler virus, overwrite virus, file infectors, directory virus. These are the types of viruses. Now let us discuss one by one. Now what is the first one? Boot sector virus. This type of virus infects master boot record, means boot sector of hard disk, and it's changing and complex tasks to remove the virus and often require the system to be formatted. Mostly it is spread through a removable disk media. Pen drive and these, from that these viruses enter into your system and it affect on a boot sector. Format your system to remove the boot sector virus. Second is resident viruses. Get installed on your computer. It is difficult to identify the virus and it is even difficult to remove. It interrupts all the operations of a system, corrupting files and programs that are used to open, close, copy, rename, like this. All these are. The examples are Randex, CMJ. Next is going to be direct action virus. A direct action virus is a type of file infector virus that works to attach itself with .com files or .exe files. At the time these files are executed, these viruses also start working. Macro virus. A macro virus is a computer virus written in same macro language used for software programs, including Microsoft Excel or Word processor, such as Microsoft Word in Excel also. When a macro virus infects a software application, it causes sequence of actions to begin automatically when the application is open. You create an Excel macros and when you run them, they automatically execute the process, and all the things have been done automatically. That is the work of the macro viruses. And the example of macro virus, Melissa virus, appeared in March 1999. It is when the user open a Microsoft Word document. When a user open a Microsoft Word document, Melissa virus start working. What is the next? Polymorphic virus. These type of viruses are difficult to identify with a traditional antivirus program because polymorphic viruses modify its signature pattern whenever it replicated, or it automatically changes its signature that antivirus is not going to read out. These are the examples of polymorphic virus. Next is space filler. You know what is the meaning of space? This is also called cavity viruses. You know what is the meaning of cavities? This is called, so it fill an empty space between the code and hence does not cause any damage to the file. Make a space between the file. By only using empty section of file, the virus can infect a file without changing the size of the file and make it very difficult to detect. Next is overwrite viruses. Overwriting means it's going to modify the file. It modify the file with the malicious program. After infection, will effectively destroy the original programming code and overwrite the some other programming malicious program code inside that. This type of viruses delete all the file that is infected. File infectors. The role of the file infector is to infect the file of your computer. Virus mainly infect the file executable or .command files .com. Directory viruses. It changes the path of directory viruses. It changes the path that indicate the location of a file. By executing a program which has been infected by a virus, we are unknowingly running the virus program, not the original file. We are going to execute the virus file, and that is the work of the directory viruses. Next one is worms. Computer worm is malicious self-replicating software program, popularly termed as malware, which affect the function of software and hardware programs. A computer worm infection spreads without user interaction. All that is necessary for a computer worm is to become active on an infected system. Worms were spread through infected storage media, pen drive, which infect other storage devices connect to the victim.